Hello, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to clone in GitHub and how to fix the issues with your tokens. So here we go. Let me just erase that. First things first, you need to log into your GitHub. Come here, click on new repository, let it load. And now give your repository a name. As you see, I named mine. I'm going to be using the tech tutorials repository. Give your repository a name. Let's go back there. Give your repository a name. You can make it public or private. Describe it so you can spot it out. You can add a git ignore file to ignore certain types of files. Files with C language, C++, Android files, any file. Also, you can add a README so that anyone who has a link to your GitHub can understand what your code is about. Or you can just choose to add comments to the code. You can also choose which license. I don't really know much about this, so I just left it empty. Now, after that, click create repository. Yeah, when all that is done, you will need to get a token. Now, this is what you do. Go to your profile, to settings, and scroll down here to developer settings, and you just create a token. Personal token. Create a new token. I already have a token, as you can see. Just input your password. Okay, I already have a token, so I won't be actually creating a token. I prefer using 30-day tokens or 7-day tokens. In this case, mine is a 7-day token. You can set the expiry date to whichever you want, but I wouldn't prefer setting it to no expiration because that's a bit risky. Now, depending on what type of repository you want, mine is just a regular repo with read and write, repo hook, and the permissions to delete. And so create token, and the token shall be created. Now that we're done with GitHub and copied the token that has been generated, we will copy our token to Xenospad. Oh my god, I should not be showing you this. Wow. Wow. You copy the token, paste it to your notepad. To pasting it to the notepad, go to your GitHub or whatever terminal you're using. If you're using a sandbox, that is perfectly fine. If you install Git to your command prompt, that is perfectly fine too. Or you're using Termux or whatever, it is fine. Now what you do here is do git clone https://. Now, writing all of this is really hard, so I previously wrote it. This is my token, and this is the format that is in. You see, that's git clone https. This is your token here, and it's ending with @github.com, directing you to your profile. And then into your profile, you find your repository. It was called techtutorials.git. And now we hit enter. It's cloning. It's cloning. It's alive! Now that we've cloned our repository, you can ls, see if it's there. See, it's there. But it is empty because we haven't really done anything to it. We haven't added any files inside it. So just cd into that, and there is nothing inside, as you can see. So what I'm going to do first is create a readme file. Readme, wait, use echo and readme.md. Close those quotes. Greater than, and the name of the file, just call it readme.md. Now the reason why I did this is to signify that this is words more like a string. This is strings. You can change it to anything you want. I could change it to let's say my very first readme file. Yep. And then hit enter and ls. See, it is there. Just to see if it is okay, do that, and yeah, it is there. Everything is okay. Now once you've done this, in order to add this to your repository on GitHub, you need to push it. Now when pushing it, we have to add it first. So you do a git add period the next time git choose it. Okay, it's fine. Then we do a git commit. The reason we commit is that we keep tabs on the updates that we put on GitHub. Now, as you can see, we are finding an error. This is because we did not specify the username or the email that is used on the GitHub. So I am going to configure mine. Let's just clear that. So git config global user.email hit enter, and then configure the username global user.name. Hit enter and you are configured. Now try git add. Now git commit. M is the argument, and the second try. I misspelled that, but it's okay. So as you can see, it's already been committed. Now we do a git push to upload it to the repository. I just have to sign in with that. Authorize the application. Authorize it. Authentication has succeeded. Okay. Closing the tab, returning to my application. As you can see, voila, it is now uploaded to your GitHub. Now when you come to GitHub and check your list of repositories, you find your tech tutorials, and this is the readme file that we uploaded. Just look at it, and here is the commitment that we wrote into it. The second try. Now all you can do is get on with your gitting. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and click on the notification for more tech tutorials, tech updates. I will be teaching you as I am being taught. Bye bye.